Hello dear viewers, chia seeds, the type of superfood which really boost your energy. It is a type of superfood which is high in nutrients and really boost your health. So let's have a look at the incredible advantages that your body will gain if you consume chia seed every day. Before we move further, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. Now let's move further. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help fight free radical that causes cell damage and deteriorate skin tissue. Free radicals also cause heart disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. So remember to add a spoonful of chia seeds in your breakfast bowl to prevent skin damage and early signs of aging. Second, it promotes weight loss. Chia seeds makes you feel satiated and naturally prevents overeating in a day. Chia seeds in the morning are excellent for weight loss. 1 glass of lemon juice in the morning can burn minimum 6 calories of energy. Soak half a teaspoon chia seeds in water overnight or for an hour in the morning. Take a glass of warm water, add 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon honey. Mix well and now add the soaked chia seed. Drink it on empty stomach. Please press the like button if you think we deserve. Third, it is good for heart. Quercetin, a very beneficial antioxidant in chia seed, can help fight heart disease. The seeds are also high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help to lower bad cholesterol and high blood pressure, so it lowers the risk of heart disease. Soak chia seeds overnight and add them in your cereal bowls. Chia seeds can go even in fruit juices or smoothies, either in the morning or evening or in between the meals. Fourth, it improves bone strength. Chia seeds are calcium-rich food. 1 ounce contains approximately 180 milligrams or 18 of daily requirements, which is important for healthy bones. It is very good for optimal muscle as well as nerve functioning. It also has magnesium and phosphorus, which are vital for bone health. Fifth, it may reduce spike in blood sugar. Chia seeds slows down the rate at which body releases glucose, lowering the blood sugar increase after consuming carbohydrates in morning breakfast. This will help those with type 2 diabetes. The easiest way to ensure that you consume chia seeds regularly is to add chia seeds in your food. It can be consumed raw or soaked. So now you know how wonderful these tiny seeds are. Add this superfood to your daily diet to gain maximum benefits that I have mentioned right now, as well as many more. This was all for today. Till the next video, take care and stay healthy.